Hi, I'm Lori, teen librarian from the Glenwood branch, and today I'm going to share a nonfiction book for anyone interested in science and the connections between ourselves and some of the smallest parts of our world. The book is called I Contain Multitudes: The Microbes Within Us and a Grander View of Life by Ed Yong. This book lets us peer into the world of microbes, not as germs to be eradicated, but as invaluable parts of our lives, allowing us to see how ubiquitous and vital microbes are. They sculpt our organs, defend us from disease, break down our food, educate our immune systems, guide our behavior, bombard our genomes with their genes, and grant us incredible abilities. For example, we may all be hyper aware of how our immune systems work due to the pandemic and the current vaccine discussions. But it was with great curiosity that I read more about the beneficial place that microbes have in our gut. Let me read a quote that really made me think differently about microbes. To many scientists, however, warding off pathogens is just a bonus trick. The immune system's main function is to manage our relationships with our resident microbes. It's more about balance and good management than defense and destruction. While much of the prevailing discussion around the microbiome has focused on its implications for human health, author Ed Yong broadens this focus to the entire animal kingdom, prompting us to look at ourselves and our fellow animals in a whole new light, less as individuals and more as the interconnected and interdependent multitudes that we are. I Contain Multitudes is the story of extraordinary partnerships between the familiar creatures of our world and those we never knew existed. It will change both our view of nature and our sense of where we belong in it. Use the links in the description below for more information about this book. I Contain Multitudes is available as a book, an ebook, an e-audiobook, and is also available in a Spanish language version. Use the links to reserve your copy today. Happy reading!